everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the turtle pet in Grow a Garden 2. So, the turtle pet was added in yesterday's update and it costs 70,000 shekels. Just like other pets in the game, you can't buy it directly from a shop. Instead, you just need to explore the map and look for the pet spawn like this. And the spawn location is completely random. And this turtle pet has a rarity, which means it can be a little harder to find compared to common pets. And so if you found this turtle, just buy it, but make sure you have enough shekels. And then now let's talk about its ability. The turtle will give you 10 extra inventory slots, which is really useful if you collect lots of items and constantly run out of space. However, there's a trade-off. Your running speed will be reduced while using this pet. So what do you think this pet is worth to buy or not? Just let me know your opinion in the comments below. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!